What's going on, Wholesaling Inc.? My name is Brendan Harvey, and I just wanted to take some time out of my day to give a big shout out to the entire Wholesaling Inc. team. Tom, Cody, Brent, especially, thank you guys very much. You guys have allowed me to build a foundation for a wholesaling business that's going to grow and hopefully grow and continue to grow. You guys have also allowed me to quit my job, which is really what I was seeking, so I could spend more time with my wife, my son, my daughter. And that's what I'm doing right now, actually, is out in the yard playing with my kids. So I just wanted to take the time to give you guys a big shout out. And also anyone else out there watching this, I highly recommend the Wholesaling Inc. program. It will push you to take that next step that you're afraid to take. It's definitely an action-taking program. So if you're tired of just listening to podcasts and reading books and never taking action, then join Wholesaling Inc. because they'll put an end to that and you guys will take action and you'll actually be making money. So thank you guys again, and as Tom would say, Rhino on.